There it goes. Now it's moving. I fucking thought it was. Shit. This thing just hauls ass. It's just gonna post up right there. Come on, keep going down. Keep on going down. I don't know what that is to the left or there. It's just kind of slowly dropping a bit, man.